Hey everyone, welcome back to Food Prep Inc. Today we're going to be preparing this Rana meat lasagna. We've got everything that we need assembled here. You're going to need your lasagna, of course, a baking sheet or some foil to put your tray on, and a food thermometer so that we can make sure that it's done in the end. First thing you need to do is preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and then we're going to go ahead and remove all of our packaging. Now that we've got that removed, we're gonna place our lasagna on our baking tray, like so, and then we're just gonna pop this into our oven for about 20 minutes, and they say that you can add an additional few minutes if you would like it to be more brown on top. So I'm gonna come back and let you know exactly how long it took in my oven. If you'd like to support this channel, the easiest way to do that is using our Amazon links the next time you shop there. All right, everyone, it has been 24 minutes total. I checked at 20 minutes and our internal temperature was still pretty far off from the 160 mark. So this seems like it's a little bit more done. We're gonna go ahead and check it out. All right, I checked in a few different spots and we have reached that 160-degree internal temperature throughout the lasagna. So here is our completed Rana meat lasagna. If you guys would like to know how this tastes, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, where we're gonna give you a full review and let you know if we'd purchase this again or not. But in the meantime, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and we'll catch you next time. Bye. All right, guys, that's the video. If you like what we're doing here, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, and don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.